This is Melissa with Sublime Wrapping here on Etsy. I've been asked how to resize a tumbler template, so I was going to show you how I do it, and it's completely free. So what you're going to do is go to Inkscape.org, download the app, and then once you do that and it's on your computer, it's going to be an icon that looks like this, an ink blob. So you're going to want to click on that. Alright, there we go. I'm going to stretch this out so I can see better. Here we go. Okay, so this is what you're going to see when you first open it up. We're going to have to switch our canvas size because this isn't right. So we're going to change our canvas size to whatever paper size paper we're using. So you go up to File, Document down here where it says Document Properties. Click on that. And then here we're going to change it from millimeters to inches. And then I'm going to put in my size paper that I'm using, which is 8.5 by 11. You can just, when you hit it, you can just press enter and it'll do it for you. And then here for orientation, we're going to hit the landscape mode. Then up here where it says display units, we're going to change this into inches as well. So it'll change our, when we put on our dimensions, it'll be in inches, not millimeters. So make sure you do that. And then we're just going to exit out. All right. Then we're going to open up and just bring in any image. There we go. Grab and bring down. And then up here, for my tumblers, I do 9.45. And then height, I do 8 inches. Just hit exit, or enter, sorry. Make sure this is unlocked. Otherwise, if it's locked and you put in, you know, say I did that, 9.45. Oh, why didn't it do it? Usually it changes this number, so I just always have it unlocked. I don't know why I didn't do it just now, but it's trying to call me a lie. Big lie. Alright, so we do that. And that's it. Now, if you have, now it's sized. I mean, that is just so easy. And so if you do have letters, you know, you obviously have to mirror. So if you click on it and come up here to the triangles, just hit that left one and it'll flip it. And then now you're able to print and enjoy your tumbler. All right. All right. I'll be making more videos on sublimation and probably like Photoshop, how you can resize there if you have Photoshop. You can resize on Kittle. And this too, you can resize anything, Libby cups, mugs, you know, Christmas ornaments. So it's not just for this. So just use the same, what we just did, and you can pretty much resize anything and everything. All right. Thank you for watching. Talk to you. See ya. Bye.